The United Democratic Party (UDP) felicitated the newly elected MLA of the party from MAWPHLANG EUGENESON LYNGDOH and newcomer ASHAHEL SHIRA at the Central Executive Committee held at CRINOLINE View, Shillong on 15th November. Those present included Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and also Party President METBAH LYNGDOH, General Secretary of the party Dr. JEMINO MAWTHOH, MLAs, MDCS and other party workers. During his address to the gathering, the president of the UDP METBAH LYNGDOH welcomed the new MLAs of the party and at the same time expressed his joy and satisfaction at the big win at the recent by-elections in MAWPHLANG. METBAH LYNGDOH made a special mention of the party's near win at the Rajabala Assembly by-polls, wherein he stated that it is evident that the UDP is now recognized and accepted in the Garo Hills, which was never the party's stronghold. Speaking after the Central Executive Committee of the party, its General Secretary Dr. JEMINO MAWTHOH informed that apart from felicitating the newcomers to the party, a discussion was also held on the strategies to strengthen the party at the block, district and constituency levels and all frontal wings before the general elections of 2023. He added that a core committee has been constituted to look into this matter.
We also deliberate and discuss at length about the strengthening of the party organization at different levels, at the district level, at the constituency level, and also strengthening the organization of the youth wing, the women's wing, and the farmers wing. And in this regard, the members of the Central Executive Committee had agreed that the core committee or the core group of the UDP will sit and deliberate and articulate the views given by the party leaders at different levels and to provide the much needed support to all the districts and to provide the direction as to the strengthening of the party at the district level, at the constituency level, and also the frontal wings of the organization. It's in an election mode now, and we have maybe a little more than a year. So we need to prepare for the party, and once the party organization is done, say by December or January, then following that we will be busy in the campaign only for the different candidates in the different constituencies in the different districts.
You also informed...
So we need to complete the process of reorganization within this stipulated time, December or January, and after that we will go ahead with the campaign.